I'll try turning this image into a dark setting with some glowing lights in Snapseed. I'll first start with trying to make the image little more symmetrical. To do that, I'll go to the crop tool and crop a little on the right side. Next, I will try to recover details around the parts of the lights. So I'll go to tune image and increase the shadows a bit. You can see some details getting back around the lights. I'll also decrease the highlights a bit. Apply this. Next, a little bit of contrast with curves using the soft contrast preset. Next, I will try to make the overall image darker. To do that, I will use the vintage filter with the preset 12, and I'll just increase the vignette strength and also a little bit of style. Apply this. Now I'll use a little bit of masking to remove the effect. So I'll tap on the stacks icon on the top right, view edits, vintage and brush. With the effect applied at 100% and the brush value at 0, I'll just tap on the parts where I want the light to glow. Around here, I'll also tap here, also on the corners. So you can see here where I have removed the mask. And I will apply this. Next, to further brighten the lights, I will use the brush tool and do a bit of dodging with the value at 5. I will just brush it around here. Just a subtle brightening of this. And apply this. Next, I will try to make the lights glow more, and I will try to make it more warmer and bright. I will use the tune image menu and increase the brightness and also the warmth. I'll stop around here and apply this only on the lights using the masking. Again, stacks icon, view edits, tune image, brush. With the brush value at 100, I'll just brush it around the lights. And apply this. Next, I will use the selective filters again, this time to make the walls a little bit more dark. I'll also add some details by increasing the structure. And also copy and paste the same filter on the right side. I'll also apply one around here in the middle and decrease the brightness. Also apply a little contrast. Here is the before and after. Apply this. Next, I will go to the curves and add some contrast by darkening the shadows, darkening the darker parts, and increasing the brightness of the highlights, that is targeting the lights here, and apply this. You can see the lights around the corners. The top corners are not orange enough. To increase the colors of those, I will go to white balance and increase the temperature and tint so that it matches with the colors of the lights on the other parts. And I'll apply this and go to masking, tap on those corners with the brush value at 100. So here is the original and the final edited one. Thanks for watching.